on the frozen sushi.
Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me.
Just get it. How does that work? The gelato?
My lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing somewhere.
What did I do?
Beyond the sea, she's there.
I have to make it even so you guys can take a good picture.
If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'd go sailing. It's far beyond the stars, it's near beyond. I know beyond a doubt my.
And then I'll share. Now you can locate us.
I'll share my location. Yeah.
Yes.
Where we are.
Yes, because I want to know.
Yeah.
I want to hear it right after. Because
You can just
Enchanted are tiny. We have 3 little ones and 1 big puppy. The puppy's bigger than all of them combined. People are like, oh, what kind of dog is he? We're like, we adopted him. He is.
My heart will lead me there soon. We'll meet, I know we'll meet beyond the shore. We'll kiss just as before. Happy we'll be beyond the sea, and never again I'll go sailing. So long since. No condition, baby, no condition. Then I'm alive.
Very nice. Stay around because as you can see, we have the majority rules game show. Call him daddy.
No more sailing. So long.